In today's video, we're going to look at this box. Actually, we're going to look at the contents of this box. I have to say this box came from one of my viewers, one of my biggest supporters actually, and a heck of a nice guy. That's right, we're talking about everybody's favorite junk collector, Don, UmaJunkCollector. Don, thank you very much for the continued gifts that you keep giving me. I don't know what to say, buddy. I really appreciate your kindness, that's for sure. For everybody else, I really don't know what's in here. I have a cheesy idea of what he mentioned to me, but exactly what specific, I don't know. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. You can see the carrier service was, as always, careful with their handling and delivery. So just beautiful, fantastic. The other side is fine, no issues. Has the shipping label I didn't pluck off, so we won't look at that, but nothing there to really report. Anyway, I have my favorite stabby device, which is actually one of my favorite screwdrivers. XL Light screwdriver. Actually, I was watching somebody here not too long ago, and they were talking about their XL Light screwdriver, and they said that it emitted a aroma, and they don't use it often because of that factor. I've never had this issue out of the screwdriver. I have no idea how I came across it, but I've had this screwdriver for at least since the 80s, and been a good screwdriver. It's actually one of my favorites. I reach for this little thing often. Alright, further ado, here we go. Now, last time Don sent me something, I had, he'd sent me something like, I don't know, 120 bags. And that was fantastic because I was able to start a bag collection with that, and very happy with that. So thanks, Don. And sent me a shipping label for some reason. Not really sure. Have a plethora of bubble wrap with peanuts. Here in the state of California, any foam packing material is now illegal. Cannot do it. Cannot use it. Same with straws. You can't use straws here. Well, restaurants are not supposed to supply you with straws anymore. But some young twit thought it was a good idea. Alright, so I could tell you a lot of stuff. Have a mirror. I think this is a camera mirror. Oh yeah, there is the camera right there. That's cool. Power and memory chip. Let me readjust my light. There, probably see that better. That's cool. Oh, not sure if you can see the second so I guess that's a view screen. That's cool. We'll have to check that out and see how that works out. Oh wow. It's a Azden 2 meter PCS 4000, and you see we are missing a volume control. Squelch is there. This is a very heavy little radio. I don't remember this model, but I do remember Azden. That's a very nice radio, Don. Thank you. Let me adjust my light again. You know, I thought my workbench, when I was building it, designing it, it was going to be big enough, but it's not. I definitely need more room. Okay, so we have microphones. I see a couple of microphones in here, and this one will plug into that. However, it's for a Icom HMS. Well, this is a HM-56 Alpha with DTMF pad, PTT, up, down, and lock buttons. That's a really nice cord, Don. Not stretched out or anything. Still has the hanger on it, so that's cool. Looks like we have a gangle of microphones in here. Oh, here's the Azden microphone. Hanger, up down button, PTT, no DTMF. That's a nice cable as well, so we'll have to check that out. We have a radio on plexiglass. Oh, with the fan on it. This is a Icom IC229H as in hotel, and this is a 2 meter. It is a modern, well, probably from the 90s, modern enough. That's kind of cool, Don. Did you make this design? I'm going to guess that the radio gets hot. You bucket mouth too much, probably. And we have that on one of those, cigarette mount. Very cool. And we have another Icom microphone, model number HM-36, and got the PTT, channel up, channel down, and no DTMF. Again, really nice cable on that. And the last item Radio Shack 2 meter, catalog number 19-1125. And this is a modern radio, again probably from the 90s. Or maybe early 2000s. Trying to see if it said anything exciting on it. True FM transmission for superior audio and excellent performance on packet. That's what's important, is packet. 30 memory channels, priority channel selection, 1 call channel. Store up to 6 15 numbers, touch tone sequences for DTMF paging, and auto patch. Microphone, external speaker, and antenna jacks. On microphone, DTMF keypad, multifunction scanning, dual VFOs for semi-duplexing operation. Well, that's cool. Frequency step selection, built-in touch tone, DTMF squelch, built-in sub-audible tone encoder and decoder. Well, that's really cool. Output power of 45 watts on high and 10 watts on low. Let's move this out of the way. Let's crack this open out of the box and we get a better peek at it. There's another box back there. I think it's going to have the power cable and the microphone. I won't dig it out. Oh, wow. Complete with mobile bracket, mounting bracket, knobs, and tape. Boy, that is tiny. That is awesome. Got some really hard gouges into the plastic. I mean, that's how tiny that is. Or I got big hands, I don't know which. That is super cool, Don. Thank you. This is a HTX-252. I think this is the one that I replaced the microphone cable on, ain't it, Don? Oh, this is really awesome, Don. I can't thank you enough. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. I wasn't going to, but we will. Have mic clip. It actually looked like a belt clip for an HT, but it could also be the hanger for that. We'll find out. Oh yeah. Yep, this is the one I replaced. Now he was having issues. He couldn't get audio. Wasn't sure if it was the microphone or if it was the radio. So yeah, that's the hanger for that. Well, it's kind of cheesy, ain't it? So we'll definitely have to put this on the workbench and see what happens. Okay, well, I will clean this mess up later. Looking very much forward into playing with these radios. Pretty awesome, Don. Thank you. I appreciate it.